In this video, I will show you how to change Steam download folder location. So open Steam. Now here click on Steam settings, downloads. Now here click on Steam library folders. Click on this plus icon. Then click on add a new Steam library folder. And also guys, you can change folder. So click on it. And guys, if you want to change location, not drive, so again click on this plus icon and select any folder or location from this list like C. And also guys, you can create any folder, you can give any name and select it. So this is the way guys, you can change location and you can change drive in Steam games. Thanks for watching.